So hello, so this is our clamping system. So when you receive it, it should look like this. Basically, it consists of bolt and nails, and also different, about 4 layers of stainless steel plates. So when you receive it, first you need to loosen up the bolt on the top. So that the top plate can be raised up, and you will insert your battery inside of between the 2 plates. So I have already inserted here, and make sure that the plate covers up all of the cell, but leaving the tabs outside for connection. And also make sure that the plate consists of the insulating Teflon tape, so that it eliminates any potential shortness of the cell from the stainless steel plate. So after you have placed the cell inside the plates, you can finger tight the knob, just very loosely adjust all 10, and then once they are fingers tightened, you can tighten more, like a little bit on each one, until it's all finger tightened. And sometimes when you tighten all of them, one or the other is loosened again. So don't worry about this, because the spring will be compressed so that the top surface will remain flat. So now you can connect your 2 tabs to your testing setup. So during the testing, the battery is going to get thicker, and the top is fixed, so it will only expand by compressing the spring in the bottom. And this setup, when you use about 10 springs, it will have, but also depends on your cell size, it will usually have about 0.1 to 0.5 megapascal pressure. And the cell is capable of holding up to 3 to 5 megapascal of pressure. So don't worry about the cell being damaged by the pressure. And another good thing about this setup is you can change the pressure level by changing the number of the springs. So right now this setup has 10 springs. So if you want lower pressure, you can remove the 3. So you can take out the screws, take out the spring, so that the cell can experience a smaller pressure. But the higher pressure you have on the cell, the lower volume expansion the cell will have, and it will have a longer cycling period, but also the capacity will be decreased a little bit. This cell is also capable of just without any pressure. So you can also test the cell without pressure. So let me take out the cell. So you can also use the cell just like this, but it will have a larger volume expansion. And we are gathering more detailed data about the volume expansion of the cell regarding to how many cycles. So normally, if you have the cell without pressure, it can cycle to 30-40 cycles. With pressure, you can cycle to 70 to 80 cycles until it reach a capacity retention of 80%. But the expansion is too big. Without pressure, the volume expansion is too big. So when you form packs, usually it can cycle for 10 to 20 cycles. Yes, thank you. If you have any questions, please consult us at Golden Feather. Thank you.